Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my blue type of makeup, like a smoky eye. And before I start, we are just going to take a wet wipe and just wipe out all the dust what we have on our skin, and then go for the moisturizer. I have been using this moisturizer for all my videos and I am just loving this. If you have a dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, this really works really well, so highly recommended. So next I'm going with a primer. I just missed out and it didn't record it what primer I used, so I used the Smashbox Pore Filler primer. It's the best primer ever. Next I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. I am just going to spray it on my skin and just massage it till that everything gets absorbed in your skin, and then go try to put on your spray it on your hand and just tap it on your face. Tap it really nicely and let it absorb everything. Next we are going to with a concealer, because first we are going to do our eyes, because the smoky looks always have a fallout. So we are going to with a base. So for the base I'm going to use a Maybelline concealer shade number 10, 25, 15, any of the three shades I use mostly. So I'm just going to apply, blend it with my sponge and just set it really nicely, but I don't apply any powder or any white eyeshadow to set my concealer. I just directly apply my eyeshadow on it. That gives me a best pigmentation. Next I'm going with my LA Pro concealer. This is the best concealer as ever. It just cancels out all your darkness. I'm just using it a little bit on my skin, under eyes, so all the under eyes dark circle just get disappeared with it, and you get a really nice base, because we want a nice bright blue on your eyelids. Then I go with my blue eyeshadow. This is from Being Woman. Yeah, I have got this brand from a store, and this is a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette which retails for something 500. And if you find this palette, then please do grab it on. I think you will find this Being Woman eyeshadow palette on the Nika or Amazon. If I find it, then I'll link it down below. Okay, so I'm just going to blend it really nicely, apply it on your crease, full crease, like a cut crease, and just blend it with the fluffy brush. After blending it really well, we are going to go with the next shade. They don't have any names on the palette. Next to it has a light like a goldeny green shade, which I'm going to apply it into my center of my lid. Just apply it with your finger or with your brush. If you go with your brush, then add a fixed spray, so the pigmentation just melts down, and you can apply a creamy nice creamy silky texture on your lid. And then you're going to go with the Makeup Revolution palette. Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm just going to take a nice green shadow from this is the palette which is I used for my last videos. I will just link down below. So this is a light metallic shade. It is a greenish golden, so I'm going to apply that shade, and yeah, we are done. Just blend all the edges of it, and eyeshadow is the application of the eyeshadow is done. After that, we are going to wipe out all the fallout on your skin, and just wipe it really nicely. See that no eyeshadow fallout is remaining on your skin, and then you can go with a moisturizer and a primer, because when you wipe out, all just goes off. So please apply moisturizer and primer, and then we are going to go with a foundation. Today I'm going to use a foundation from L'Oreal Infallible. It is fully empty, and my shade is something I'll just link down below. So if you're my skin tone, then you can buy that shade. It's a pretty matchable shade. So this is a beautiful foundation, but I am not loving so much, but most of them have reviewed that this is the best foundation. But if I will just use it again and let you all know how I feel about this foundation. Yes, and then I'm going to go with my Fit Me concealer and just blend it under my eyes and just brighten up, blend with the beauty blender or any brush and just blend it really nicely and set it with a Maybelline super stay powder. Today I have not used any loose powder, I have just used a compact, and I just bake it and then go with the Fix Plus, my favorite Fix Plus Smashbox. And I will not recommend you any other brand because I have not used it. I use Smashbox from first until now. I use Smashbox itself, so I love this. It melts down my foundation so well. It feels like skin like texture, so pretty, so nice. I am just amazed by it. It is a little bit expensive side, but uh, worth the money, just worth the money. It retails for 2000, but if you're just going to use 2 pumps, 3 pumps, if you don't have a YouTube channel and you just want to use this whenever you do your makeup, then this will last you for long as ever. So highly recommended this fast Smashbox setting spray. Just grab it on, buy it. And if you want me to try any other setting spray, yes, I will go and do it, but now I'm just recommending this Smashbox setting spray. Then I'm going to go with my contour palette, which is from Wet n Wild, and this is the palette I love, but I just don't adore the banana powder. It just makes my face cakey and just clots out, and I don't like it much. I had taken this palette because I have seen lot of YouTubers use this, but I don't recommend this banana powder from this. But the contour powder is just okay, just not the best, but it's okay. But it is lying with me for so long, so I'm just using it. Next I'm going to use my Maybelline blush. OMG, this is the best blush I have used. I have ordered, it is new, and I am loving this. The pigmentation, the it feels a natural glow on your skin, and I'm loving this blush. Next we are going with the highlighter. I'm going to use 2 highlighters. One is from Makeup Revolution and one is from Maybelline. I'm just going to mix them both because one is a peachy tone and one is golden. So this is from Maybelline. I'm just going to blend it with my fan brush, and I'm just going to blend it really nicely. And then I'm going to go with the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette and just apply it really nicely. Friends, if you want any of the products in detail, then please go and check my description box. You will find it all, the links, the buys. You can just click it and you can just go and buy it on. You can add to your cart. I'm just going to write it down, everything down in the description box, then please go and check it out. Here I had put on a music because it was really silent over there, so I was just dancing and enjoying my tutorial. So I hope you too enjoy it same. Next I will be doing my completing my eyebrows. I'm just going to use the pomade from Music Flower, and I have this for so long and it is being really good. The effect is really good. It is in brown shade, so I use that for my eyebrows. And then I'm going to go and complete my eye look, and I'm going to use the same purplish bluish shade for my under eyes. Before that I'm going to use the blush. What I use, a peachy tone blush. First apply a peachy tone blush, then I'm going to apply a little bit of uh, blue shade, and afterwards the inner corners I'm going to apply the same goldeny shade from Makeup Revolution palette and just blend it out, everything, the lower lash line, the upper lash, everything, blend it really well. And then I'm going to go with the eyeliner, complete with a mascara, and yes, then we are going to use the Maybelline lipstick. The shade is Coral, and this is crayon inks, and these are really nice and pigmented lip crayons. And then I'm going to apply a Matte Me shade, and same shade from Matte Me in color. And yes, my look is ready, and I'll get back to you quite a minute to show you the final look. If you like my today's look, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you everybody. Thank you all for watching this video. It means the world to me. Bye.